Imagine sinking your teeth into a warm and freshly baked chimney cake with its golden, caramelized exterior and a soft, fluffy interior. The aroma of freshly baked dough wafts through the air, tempting your taste buds from the first moment you lay eyes on it.
Remember the days we were young.
Our chimney cake comes in a variety of delectable flavors to satisfy your cravings. Indulge in the classic cinnamon sugar, a timeless favorite that brings warmth and sweetness to every bite. For chocolate lovers, we offer a rich and decadent chocolate drizzle that will leave you wanting more. But that's not all. We also have a selection of delightful toppings to customize your chimney cake experience. From crushed nuts to colorful sprinkles, you can create your own personal masterpiece. What are you waiting for? Treat yourself to the indulgent and unforgettable experience of our chimney cake. Join us in celebrating the joy of good food, good company, and the sweet pleasures of life.